An email address can be a surprisingly powerful starting point for a people search investigation. Most people think of email as purely digital, disconnected from physical location or identity data. In professional investigations, that's not the case at all. Here's how professional investigators use an email address to locate a person and what you can typically expect to find. Email addresses appear in more places than most people realize. Every time someone creates an account online, signs up for a service, registers a domain, or purchases something online, their email address is recorded in connection with other identifying information. Over time, those connections create a substantial data trail. Domain registration records, WOIS data, were historically one of the richest email-based investigation sources. When someone registered a website domain using an email address, the registration record typically included their name, address, and phone number. While privacy services have reduced the visibility of this data for newer registrations, historical WOIS records remain accessible through professional databases and often reveal critical identifying information. Data breach records, available through professional investigation platforms, frequently link email addresses to the passwords, usernames, and account information that appeared in major data breaches. This is not for exploitation, but for investigative purposes. If an email address appeared in a breach alongside a real name, address, or phone number, that creates a verified identity link. Social media platforms frequently use email addresses as account identifiers. While the platforms themselves don't expose this connection publicly, professional OSINT techniques can often link an email address to specific social media profiles, particularly when the email username matches or is similar to the social media handle. Commercial and marketing databases have accumulated extensive records linking email addresses to names, postal addresses, and purchasing histories. Professional investigation platforms have licensed access to many of these commercial databases. Email service providers, Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and others, maintain account records that include registration information, backup contacts, and associated phone numbers. Access to this data requires legal process in most circumstances, but account metadata is sometimes available through investigative platforms. People Locator skip tracing can conduct email-based investigations as part of a comprehensive skip trace or as a standalone reverse email lookup. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place an order or discuss your investigation needs.